Good evening, freedom fighters. I hope you can hear me. The motor's quite loud right this minute. We're going to unload, but I had to show you the very powerful microwave energy coming from the next red radar systems. This device here seems to be creating this storm. You can see how it connects. Another device right here. Very powerful microwave energy coming from pretty much everywhere. There's way too many of these devices just for seeing the rain. I just wanted to make a short video to show you the incredible microwave energy being used on us. Create these storms wherever they want. Chicago, it's your turn tonight. Major electrical storms like nobody's ever seen. Powerful microwave energy being used out of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia. All this technology has been put up around us, and nobody has a clue what it is. Incredible electrical storm taking place. I want to go back 12 hours before it happened and show how it formed out of nothing. And it was an explosive event with the lightning. Not hardly a puff cloud. Clear day. Explosion of weather. Got that spider web look to it. Amazing amount of lightning you are getting with this type weather. Ah, mercy. Standing by. Y'all need to make sure you watch the 100-year history of the weather modification. Very important show.
For the amount of CO2 in the air.
Commercial fishermen standing by. We've been working for a lot of hours. Have a good night.